How to change your Apple Wallet default card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Apple Wallet default card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Apple Wallet. There you can see a list of your cards. Now I only have one card for now, that is my Apple card, but to make your Apple Wallet a default card, what you can do is tap on the three dots on the top right here. Head over to settings. After you head over to your settings, you should be on your wallet and Apple Pay. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is scroll down, and under your transaction defaults, you'll find the default card option. Tap on it and there you will see the list of your cards. So from there, you'll need to simply select the card that you want to make your default. It should look something like this. Select Apple Cash if you want to make your Apple Cash your default card, and that's basically it. And that's how you can change your Apple Wallet default card. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.